morning, students. Today we read grammar chapter 6 verbs. Noun, pronoun over verb. So what is verb? The action. What we do action, that is verb. We do work or work is done, that is verb. I play, sing, dance, run, sleep, speak, wash, bath, then write, read. Every action is called verb. So verb also, what is verb? A verb talks about an action. Action means I said play, sing, dance, whatever we do work, that is called verb. Also denote the state. Denote the state means I am a boy, I am a girl, she is a girl. That means that it denotes the state. That I am means I am a person. That what we say. An action means you say that I play, I dance, she dances. So these are shows the action. These are shows the action. So denote the state. Denote the state means a state of being means I am a boy. So boy is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay. Or suppose you are present. So here are also verb. Okay. They are girls. So here girls is also auxiliary verb. So this shows called denote the state of being. State of being or called state of being. It is also verb. Okay. These are is, am, are, was, were also called helping verb also. Possession or belonging. Verb also shows the possession or belonging. Belonging means have or has. So I have a pen. I have a pen. Okay. I had a frock. So have or has. Okay. He has a house. She has a sari. So has, have, had, these are called belonging. Okay. For belonging, when we say that this pen belongs to me means I have a pen. Or that girl, that shirt is belongs to this boy means the boy has a shirt. So like this, the verb is, what is verb? A verb talks about the action. Also verb talks about the states of being, or also a verb tells about the possession or belonging. So verbs also used according to the time, that is tense. You know about the tense, but here we will not read about the thoroughly about the tense, but little I will give some hints about the tense in verb chapter. That is, we have three tense. You know it. That is present tense, past tense, and future tense. So what is present tense? Present time. What is going now? Is now. Or present tense also you can denote it as a today. Okay. Present you can say today. Now what is going on? What is happening? All are called present tense. Past tense means yesterday. Already yesterday. Yesterday means already happened, means over. Work is over. Future means tomorrow, which will happen. Not till now. Till now which work is not started. It will happen tomorrow or after 1 year or after 1 month. So that is called future time. So present time and action happens in present moment. Now it is happening, means that is present. I am teaching or I am reading, that is present time. I was reading or I was in the other school, or I will be in college. So that is future time. So present is now. Past means already happened, work is completed. Future tense means which will be take place, or action which not started till now, it will be happen in future. So for present tense, the verbs used is, am, are, these are all helping verbs. Okay, is, am, are, have, has, do, does, these all are present helping verb. And verbs, you know, play, sing, dance, run, all this will be used. Or is making, is dancing, is singing, are making, like this. In past tense, that is, am, are past tense is was, were, had, did, was making, was playing, was singing, were playing, were singing. All these are past verbs. Futures, it will use with will do, will play, shall go, shall dance, like this. There will use future tense, or will be making, shall be dancing, will be reading. All these are future times. Okay, so if present is, past is, was, future is will be. Okay, so is, was, or suppose it is are, it is were. Okay, like this it will change. Suppose has, have, present, it will be had in past tense. Like this always change. Suppose is making, it here will be was making. Like this present to past tense will change. So thoroughly we will read about present tense, past tense, future tense in our 10th chapter. Okay, serial wise we will read. But for now you know about this thing. So we read object of a verb. So in a sentence there is a subject, verb and object. So what is object? The object of a verb is a noun or pronoun. It may be noun or pronoun where the verb is, or the action of verb is directed. Action of verb is directed means, suppose I play. I ask you, what do you play? I play football. So answer came football. So the verb, what a verb directed means what it says. Play means what you play. I eat. What do you eat? Suppose the children liked, what they like. The question comes with what, and so object of verb means it is a noun. It may be noun or pronoun towards which the action of verb is directed. Means I play means what we play? We play football. What do we play? We play football. The children liked the film. What they like? The film. Okay. The lion chased the deer. To whom a lion chased? The tiger, the deer. They are eating rice. What they eat? What are they eating? Rice. So here football, the film, the deer and rice are objects of football. Is object of which verb? Play. The film is object of the verb like. The deer is object of the verb chased. Rice is the object of the verb eating. So what is object? So a object, it may be noun or pronoun towards which the action of verb is directed. Means action denotes what the action directed. Suppose another sentence. I am making a picture. So here picture is object. The making directed the object a picture. So this is called object of a verb. Okay. So I hope you could understand what is verb and object of verb. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.